Good afternoon, everyone. This video is brought to you by our friends at TrueLeafMarket.com, heirloom and organic seeds for any grow zone on our planet. You'll find that link in the description box, as well as links to all the other stories that I'm talking about and referencing in this video. Heavy Martian dust storms, Technicolor Crete, blasting Saharan sand, blizzards in Romania, snow devils in Wales. Spanish port closed from too much snow on the road to access it. Record snows in Algeria. Sun halos in Germany. A cyclone about to slam into France. And there are feet and feet of more snow on the way. And while you're watching the video, please remember to subscribe to Adapt 2030 and click that bell so you can get the latest updates. And if you've been watching the videos the last few days, I've been following the dust storm as the European Superfreeze 2.0 has a colliding air mass of hot and cold, and that just needs to move somewhere. Well, here we go. Crete has turned into this in the skies. It looks more like a Martian landscape than it does something on our own planet. Now, taking a look at the satellite here, that thick dust, it's not just limited to Crete. Cyprus is also going to get in on the action, and it's going to head right into Turkey. And what I'm saying is, with all this particulate up there, with the snows and these blizzards rolling across Romania, this is going to collide somewhere in the middle, and it is going to create something amazing in our atmosphere that we have not seen for hundreds of years. This is how thick the sandstorm was at 4:30 p.m. Heavy winds accompanying this, 30-40 miles an hour, some gusts up to 50 miles per hour. An incredible amount of videos. I've linked everything below. You need to check out these videos on Twitter. They are stunning. A lot of images coming in, a lot of captures, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and then everything just goes Technicolor. Also, here you can see the temperature gradient map, that purple at the very top that says very cold. And then we just have cold, and then it's colliding with the very warm from the African desert. Greece is going to experience some wild weather in the next 24 hours. And all the way around the coastal Black Sea, blizzard in Romania. So I thought I'd take a look at the snow maps here for the 23rd. Going out for the next few days. Purple's a foot. That red is 100 inches. That orangish color is, 3 foot plus. We'll jump down to Montenegro area first. Incredible amounts of snow coming down. They're breaking snow records left, right, and center. So then let's take a look at Romania and see what's happening while they're having their blizzard at the same time here. Snow record after snow record after snow record is not just being broken, they're being shattered right now. The state of our climate is definitely showing effects and signs of the grand solar minimum intensification. No doubt about it. And taking a look at the day before yesterday, Germany, 22-degree sun halo. And that straight line going across the stream there's a couple of those. They look like stratospheric aerosol geoengineering particulate trails in our atmosphere, otherwise known as cosmic radiation management. There's several layers to that onion. You might want to look at the cosmic radiation management edge of it instead of just thinking about it being a military weather manipulation program. And also digging through the snow feeds coming out of the UK, I found this. Wales had a snow devil. I know this is a couple days back, but snow devils are rare. There was one last year, also in the mountains around Romania. But here's another instance of it. You know, they're usually dust devils. Speaking of which, let's take a look at Spain and northern Africa. I want to focus in on Algeria there. Anywhere you see that more darkish purple, that's record snow. And over in Spain, it's been snowing so intensely, not only all those pictures I rolled off in yesterday's video, but now the Port of Montenegro is closed due to the presence of too much snow on the road connecting to the port. I'm going to wide out the picture for you here because the snowplows are finally just getting in there. They're overwhelmed in the country due to the amount of snow that's coming down. They don't normally get that much snow even in the wintertime, but now this late in spring. Let's take a look at Algeria. And remember, with all the news stories back in January talking about the rare snowfalls in the Sahara Desert, now we have snows and it's almost April. This is flat. This is not in the mountains. This is going toward coastal. Record snow. And another interesting photo from Gotta Love Algeria, Constantine under snow. I'm going to let this one soak in here because you just have to look at this landscape and realize that it should be 90 degrees Fahrenheit there right now. And also looking for the snows along in Morocco. Seemed that pattern pushed pretty much into Algeria, although the snows are just starting in these same Atlas Mountains right now, as a matter of fact. So we're waiting for some snow totals to come in over the day. Found this from March 15th. Incredible satellite imagery of the Atlas Mountains in Morocco. I thought it fit for this video, so here we go. And what you're looking at here is coastal France, right where that low cyclonic spin is, a cyclone. That is the Atlantic Ocean, and that is the Bay of Biscay. A little bit further right there, we have Spain. 971 millibars expected to deepen and drop. Hey, this is exactly like Nor'easter 4.0 in the US, but this one's much more intense. So what are the chances of two cyclonic spinning extratropical lows at the same time in the Atlantic Ocean on two continents? They're calling it Cyclone Hugo. You can keep an eye on this one as it progresses. Satellite image for you here. And as that cyclone makes landfall, notice where it says cold right in the center there. And you also see where the heated air from Africa is being pushed. Where's that cold going to go to? It's being sandwiched, literally. And then the very cold is coming down to the next, what is going to be the European Superfreeze 3.0. Now, all these colliding air masses coming together are going to make something spectacular happen. There's already reports of snow that have actually sand layers in the snow. I'm trying to dig some images out for you for the next video, but thanks for watching. You can definitely see there's a massive uptick in our extreme weather. This is all brought on by the weakening magnetosphere. It is not CO2, it is not you, it is our sun, and I encourage you to understand and do some research on what a grand solar minimum is and what the Maunder minimum was and how this is going to affect food production and also your life.